On Monday, a workshop titled Building a Unicorn in Tripura was held at Pragya Bhavan, marking the official launch of the Tea Rice portal. The event was attended by Minister Pranajit Singha Roy and officials.
This is Priya, 24 years old.
During the event, Minister Pranajit Singha Roy stated that following the introduction of new startup policy, over 185 applications have already been submitted. Out of this, 140 registrations have been approved and 70 startups have been received officially recognition. Financial assistance amounting to 2.72 crore has already been disbursed.
The startup Tripura has exchanged memorandum of understanding with Johor for startups, Amazon and HDFC Bank. These partnerships will provide startup access to business, technology, digital market opportunities, banking and financial services required to take their ventures forward. This type of collaboration is important for building a strong and sustainable startup ecosystem and ensuring that our entrepreneurs get the support they need to scale their business. Before concluding, I would like to thank THUF for partnership with Startup Tripura and supporting our dream of building a vibrant innovation ecosystem in the state. I also thank Skyroot Aerospace, Johor for startups, Amazon and HDFC Bank for joining hands with the Startup Tripura. I want message for every entrepreneurs and potential present here today. Don't build a startup just to be successful. Build a startup to solve a real problem and success will come naturally. Dream boldly, innovate fearlessly, create solutions that create real value or utility, builds institutions that bring jobs and prosperity, bring Tripura's ideas, products and technologies to the court of India and the world.
Shri Thiruvenkatam N.
Reporter by Narayan from Magatla, Chini Khorang.